there, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Fame wig by Main Attraction in the color Midnight. So this is what the inside of that tag looks like. It gives you some care instructions and, you know, a little bit about Main Attraction wigs. So this is a really cute, sort of nice line for people who collect wigs, who are on a budget, or who are just starting out wearing wigs. They're not really super expensive. They do kind of skimp on some cap features here and there because of that, but I think they're very good value for money, and they look really cute. They have some really cute styles, really, from this Main Attraction line. I think Fame is an adorable sort of shaggy cut. Reminds me ever so slightly of something like Dolce by Noriko. I mean, but not as long, obviously. But I mean, the style, maybe like Jodie from Jean Reno. But I mean, it's just got that little bit of a curl to it. Sandy by Noriko, those sorts of styles. It's a little bit straight here at the bottoms. Definitely curly here on the sides and in the back. Now, because this one is part of, like, you know, a good value sort of wig line, they do skimp a little bit on the hair, so you can sort of see the cap construction right at the front hairline. So you have to make sure that you part it to obscure that, which isn't hard to do. She has very cute bangs here, very light little bangs, heavily layered, gently feathered cut, very cute cut. And what I pointed out about that front hairline, on dark colors like this, it's very hard to see. Like, I'm being extremely nitpicky. I mean, what good is a review if you don't point out the bad things when you see them, right? But I think overall, this is a really cute cut. And I think that it gives you layering and a little bit of curl without pulling Golden Girl. You're not gonna do a full B. Arthur in this one. So it's a really cute cut. The cap construction is very basic on Fame. It's open. It's an open cap. You get like a spade of perma tease right down the center where it's a little bit more concentrated. You get a more generous bump of it here at the crown. Right there. She's open wafted on the sides, and in the back she has an extended nape with a Velcro adjuster, which is a nice touch. She's also got open, slightly under knotted ear tabs. This wig stretches okay. I think it fits true to average. In general, short styles tend to be a little bit snug compared to longer ones. That's because with a longer wig, if it shifts even a little, you know, you've got that coverage still because you've got so much hair. If it's a short style and it rides up, you'll be able to see everything underneath. So they don't want to give you a whole lot of wiggle room for it to wiggle around. But yeah, I think this is a very cute style. I think the front is really cute. Just make sure you're careful with the part. And that's all she wrote. This is the Fame from Main Attraction in the color Midnight. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching our videos. Hopefully you subscribe and, you know, tell your friends and that sort of thing. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.